at about 10 minutes. This is what you're gonna see. Smoke. The steam of it. The smell good of it. Cooking this way will save more juices inside of it and taste way better. And just about now, I need to cover up for the next 20 minutes.